A very special good morning to you first.
Okay, good morning. So I'm good.
So,
And how about you? How are you?
yes, I'm also doing great. Thanks for asking. So now we can move towards the topic, and the topic is all
Okay.
about what worries you about your future. What
Yeah.
worries you about the future? So the first
Mm.
question I'm gonna ask to you: are you comfortable with this topic
Yeah,
first?
yeah. Yeah. I'm
Okay.
comfortable.
So thank you. So I will ask the
Okay.
first question.
hmm Okay, so sometime I think that what will be the use of saving so much money or doing so much thing, because we know very well that we one day we are going to leave our world, and it is not sure that when the world will be demolished. Okay, so
Ex-
even that people are even that people are very hurry in saving the money or doing the so many things or collect the or the make the property. Okay, sometime I
Hey,
think so, but even I think that then what if some it the all people are doing, then I should also do like the same way. Okay, or what will we do for the still the world demolished, right?
Yes, of course. I think what I would say, Nayan. So the first thing is like that. We have to save money, not that much. We have to save monies for the like uncertain things. We don't know what's gonna be happen. Nobody was aware about the COVID-19, right? But we
Hmm.
got this pandemic. But if
Hmm.
if we wouldn't have this kind of savings, how we will live in this world? Nowadays, the people they are just I think eating their food by the savings only, right? So
Hmm.
that is a thing. For this kind of things we have to save money, but the Indian parents and the Indian people, they are saving a lot because they are
Hmm.
thinking about their son, they are thinking
Hmm.
about their grandson, they are thinking about their relatives. Whole the life they are thinking about others, and they are saving money, and they aren't thinking about themselves to enjoy a
Hmm.
little bit. So that is
Yeah, yeah.
wrong, I think. Just a perspective, we have to think about ourselves as well. We are earning, and that is life of ourselves. Why we are not
Hmm.
enjoying? If you will see in the Western culture, the people
Hmm.
they would like to care about their, I think, son and daughter, but of
Hmm.
course they would like to care about their themselves as well, right?
Yeah, yeah. Actually,
Mm.
saving money is not wrong. Okay, but what people are doing, they are only saving and they are not doing anything. Okay, and
Yes.
we have also to save money for our children or for our parents or for relative also. Okay, but we shouldn't save so much money so that we won't be able to do anything. Okay, we are not enjoying our life, we are not doing anything, we are not going anywhere. If Because if we go anywhere, then we and then our business will then we will have to face some business loss. Okay, that's why we are not enjoying, so I think it is very wrong. Okay, but in other hand, we have to keep on in our mind that we are going to die anytime. Okay, so that's why we have to do such a thing that we can't do after death, right?
Yeah, of course. Nobody knows like when we are gonna die. So we have to be conscious about money, but not that much. We have to care about our life as well. We have to go for the fun. And I have seen the people, they are dying for the property. They are just shooting to each other because you take my, like, this kind of property, you take my field, you take my home.
Yeah,
This is
yeah.
happening. So
Mm,
it's really bad. So can I ask the question? Like the question is all
mm,
about, I think,
mm,
the question is all about what are you doing to come out of this fear? I mean to say that the people they are fearing, I think, due to this, what's gonna
mm,
be in happen. So what you would like to do to come out from this fear and phobia? Because you said like that according to you, you would like to enjoy.
yeah, yeah. So actually, what I'm doing now, I used to enjoy so much in my life, and apart from that, I also think for future. Okay, actually, I don't think for my future after my death. Okay, but I think about my family. Okay, that if I die, then what will my family will do, right? So for that, I save some monies, and apart from them, I get insurance policy also. Okay. So that's why I think nowadays I don't worry about the future and I am living peacefully.
Okay, that's great. So the next question is all about, if the future is so uncertain, you don't know, I think, when you're gonna be die. So then why to plan? Why we are planning so much if the future is uncertain?
Yeah, we know very well that future is uncertain, but the thing is that now we are living. Okay, so now we have to think about the present only, right? Because it
Yes.
is not sure that means, since when will we live,
Hmm.
right? But the thing is that now we are living, so now we have to think about the present. If nowadays we are not doing anything, just we will lie in our bed and we will not do anything, so what will be the use? After suppose after some days you will means the money what you have will end, okay, will finish, okay, and that the uncertainty doesn't come, okay, now after some days, after some few months, you will be okay, then what will we do that time, right?
Yes. So
Yeah,
yeah, of course we have to care about it, but don't worry. We have to work, we have to earn money, and we have to spend, and we have to save as well. But we have to, along with that, we have to enjoy our life as well. For the tensions only, like, with the full of tensions, it's gonna give you the problem. So my next question is about the mental health. So what do you think, any phobia is unhealthy for mental health? What's your opinion? So I was asking the question about the phobia. I think it is unhealthy for the people. I mean to say that if you will take a lot more tensions, it will be unhealthy for you. So what's your opinion about it? It can give you the problems if you will think a lot.
yeah, yeah, obviously it will it may be a problem for us if we keep thinking about a single problem for long time, then it is sure that after some days we will be depressed, right? So we shouldn't think so much about something. We should think, but we shouldn't keep on thinking, right?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and otherwise one day the tension will be a phobia for you.
Yeah, of course. And it can become a mental disease for you if you will think a lot, and you will get the depression and the stress and anxiety, this kind of things you can get, right? So I'm
Yeah.
totally agree with you, I think, Nan. So but what do you think? You have think I think you do have any plan about your future. So what about your family planning?
Mm. So in future we have to do so many things. We have to do our job, and apart from that we have to buy a good house for us, okay, so that our children or our yeah, so in this way our children may live there peacefully, and he will sorry they will get the facility what they will need, right? So these are our means future plan, and when we will retire, that time we will live peacefully and no without any tension, and we will enjoy so much. With that time we would not have any work to do, right?
So now you can understand, I think, how many plans you do have after retirement.
Yeah,
So that is all about, we people are caring about it, and it is also necessary, but we have to do enjoyment, and we have to enjoy our life, and we have to work as well. I'm not saying that don't work and don't save, do everything, but along with that, try to care about our life as well, which can make us healthy, because health
yeah,
is wealth always.
yeah, yeah, right.
Okay, so I think we are in the last phase of this conversation. So I think I must say to you, today you spoke well, and but sometimes it was terrible due to network as well. But you are improving, and I'm really happy for you, because now you are going with the pain. I think feelings and sentimentals, and you are able to express the things with the happiness, sadness. You are able to understand, to feel this language, because this matters a
Yeah,
lot. If you will start feeling this language, if you will start enjoying whatever you're speaking, I think, because what is happening when we are not able to speak that language and we are going to speak first time, we are speaking like a robot. We will
yeah,
not
yeah,
laugh,
right.
we will not, yeah, so it is happening.
Without
But
any
now you are,
emotion.
Yeah, without
Yes.
any emotions. But for
Mm.
speaking any language, we have to go through the emotions. We have to feel that language. And now you are improving for that. I'm really happy to see you in this phase because you are happy. You are able to feel this language. And I'm just eagerly waiting for the videos on YouTube. So thank you. And just keep uploading videos. And I
Okay.
told you about your pronunciation. It was okay today. I mean to say that, but you have to improve and polish. Try to watch more and more videos. I think, when you are not
Okay.
taking sessions, I think then at that point of time, try to watch few videos on YouTube. Yes. So I think it's enough for today. And I will just eagerly wait for the video and just keep uploading videos. It will be really, really good for you.
Okay, why not? Today I will
Yes.
upload a video of you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. I will be
Okay.
really, really happy.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you and bye bye. Take care. All the best.
Okay, then bye.